So herein you can see my Canva site is showing. You can show your portfolio through Canva site because Canva is very popular and you can make pages like this on Canva. And if your client will see, you can see my services are here: website designing, social media marketing, e-commerce handling. So you can add your services on Canva site, and Canva is very popular and your client will trust you. You can add these types of pages here in your website. I have added just 5 pages. You can add more pages as well as per your requirement. So first of all, you need to log into your Canva account, and herein you need to simply look for website. First of all, click on the create button, and herein you type website. Then you can change the images. You can add any of your images here. So simply you can remove the images, and simply you can type, enter your content, and you can add photos if you want. If you like your photos, small photos is enough. I think small photos of you is enough. And you can enter your services. You can do all the editings from here. You can do all the editings from here. You can make changes. You can add further photos, or if you want, otherwise you can delete it. And if you want to add more pages, you can add it from here. Enter your phone number here. You can enter your email ID here. You can make it the size larger from here, and you can make sure to change the content according to your business services. Enter this, and after doing all these changes, what you need to do, you need to click on this share button, click on this website option, and herein you need to enter your website name. Make sure to enter the correct name here, and make sure to enter correct name here, and click on publish. And after that, it will be published like this. Your website will look beautiful, and you can do all the changes if you want. And in case you find this video helpful, and if you want to if you need any technical assistance, if you have a business and if you don't want to do it, so I will do it for you. So because I am into digital services only, I provide tech services. You can get in touch with me anytime. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for